Need a rugged circular plastic connector? TE Connectivity's circular plastic connectors are built for harsh environments, lightweight, durable, and easy to install. Introducing our selector tool. With just a few simple inputs, this tool takes the guesswork out of the selection process and provides you with the best options tailored to your needs. Start by choosing your series that best aligns with your application requirements. Then, customize your specs. With just a few quick details, you can easily find the right circular plastic connector from thousands of available options. Explore the tool and check out all the great features it offers,